the Pagani Huayra Codalunga, designed with this stunning long-tail aerodynamic profile. And powering this masterpiece is...
Imagine standing in front of a car that isn't just rare, but truly singular. The Bugatti Brilliard is not a model you can order from a brochure or see lined up at a motor show. It is a one-off creation, built under Bugatti's exclusive program Solitaire, and it represents the purest expression of what modern Bugatti craftsmanship can be when there are no limits. The name, Brilliard, comes from the French word for mist, or fog, and it's deeply personal. Ettore Bugatti, the brand's founder, owned a prized horse with that very name, and this car is a tribute to Bugatti's heritage, passion, and emotional side. Unlike standard hypercars that focus only on numbers, the Brilliard tells a story. It's about legacy, individuality, and art as much as speed. At its core, the Bugatti Brilliard is based on the Chiron Super Sport, which already places it among the fastest and most capable road cars ever made. Power comes from Bugatti's legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. This engine produces around 1,600 horsepower, a figure that's almost hard to comprehend in real-world terms. In simple language, this means acceleration that feels less like driving and more like being launched. 0 to 100 km per hour happens in just over 2 seconds, and the top speed capability exceeds 440 km per hour, though the exact limit depends on configuration and safety equipment. What makes the Brilliard special is not that it's fast, because many Bugattis are fast, but how that performance is wrapped in a completely bespoke exterior and interior. The bodywork is entirely unique, featuring handcrafted panels and a custom paint finish designed specifically for this car. The color palette is inspired by nature and motion, with subtle gradients and tones that shift under different lighting, almost like mist moving across a landscape. It's not flashy in a loud way,
created
but deeply
with free
elegant
version
and
for non-commercial
understated,
use,
which makes it even more striking. Aerodynamically, the Brilliard is still very much a Bugatti. Every curve and surface has a purpose. Air is carefully guided around the car to keep it stable at extreme speeds, while still maintaining a smooth, flowing silhouette. The long-tail design, inherited from the Super Sport, helps reduce drag and improves high-speed stability. Even if you don't understand aerodynamics, you can feel the intent in the shape. It looks fast even when standing still. Step inside, and the car transforms from a hypercar into something closer to a luxury atelier on wheels. The interior is entirely tailored to the owner's taste, down to the smallest stitch. Premium leather, polished metals, and carbon fiber are combined with hand-finished details that take hundreds of hours to perfect. One of the standout elements is the interior artwork and engraving, which subtly references Ettore Bugatti and the horse Brilliard, blending history into modern
with
design.
free version for non-commercial use.
Despite the extreme performance, the Brilliard is still surprisingly usable for such an exotic machine. Bugatti engineers ensure that the ride, while firm, is refined, and the car can be driven on public roads without feeling completely out of place. Advanced suspension systems adapt to driving conditions, offering comfort at low speeds and razor-sharp control when pushed hard. Modern driver assistance and infotainment systems are present, but they're discreet, ensuring technology never overshadows the craftsmanship. From a collector's perspective, the Bugatti Brilliard's greatest strength lies in the idea that it can never be replicated. In the world of ultra-high-end automobiles, rarity alone is no longer enough. Limited runs of 10, 20, or even 100 cars, while impressive, still imply repetition. The Brilliard goes far beyond that. As a true one-of-one, it exists outside conventional production logic. There is no second chassis, no alternate specification, and no future continuation model that can dilute its identity. For collectors, this level of exclusivity transforms the car from a luxury asset into an irreplaceable artifact. This kind of uniqueness carries a weight that transcends traditional valuation metrics. Horsepower figures, top speed numbers, and lap times matter, but they are ultimately subject to being surpassed by future engineering advancements. What cannot be overtaken is originality. The Brilliard captures a specific creative moment at Bugatti, where engineering, design, and personal expression align perfectly for a single client. Collectors understand that such moments are rare and fleeting, and once they pass, they can never be recreated, no matter how advanced technology becomes. Historically, the most valuable automobiles in the world are not always the fastest or the most powerful, but the ones that represent turning points. Cars like the Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, Ferrari's one-off coach-built models, or bespoke Rolls-Royces commissioned by royalty became legends because